Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm David from InkHearts Industries. In today's episode, I think I made a mistake. I tried to compress 12 hours of solid work into an 18 minutes video, which means I done a lot of fiddly bits on the door, a lot of small patch panels welded in, grinded off. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. What I don't want it to do is split this video into 2 episodes again, having the little fiddly bits, little rotten bits on the door sorted out, and then in the next video put the skin on. I really wanted to just everything, put it together, put the skin on and call it a day. The door is done. So if you keep watching, you're gonna find out how far I got with the door. The back panel for the skin. Skin support is being tacked in. That's a bend in the arch. I just marked up all along there, and just quickly, just to see how it looks, the plier just bend along the line. It's gonna blend in a little bit better. I'm gonna work on this area today. Just banged into shape. I'm gonna take the hinge out and make it look pretty. It's a little bit tight on the bottom. That's not a problem. I made a little bit of mistake and I cut this back into shape. For some reason I cut it in a weird angle, so I just have to replace and re-weld a new piece which is nice and straight. I tacked on the top and bottom, just cut it in 45 angle. So as soon as I weld it together, it's gonna be nice and flush. That's the bottom weld. When I should tack this little panel in, the bottom of that I just tacked in. So I got this little nasty bit I have to deal with. The other day I done a little bit of work on a door again, I just finished up the top, this triangle here. Unfortunately I didn't make any videos of it, but it's done now. I had to cut out this corner in here. It just wasn't in the right way, so I'm gonna put a new strip in there. Looks a little bit better than it was. My last bottom bit is on the top of the hinge, right behind there. All these touched up. I'm gonna do the skin on the outside, or the small one and the big one. I made a template for the door. To do is tack it along on the top, make a nice butt joint, and then just fold the edge around. I'm gonna do this little corner as well. Let it cool down. What we don't want is to warp this nice sheet metal and just weld it between the welds and then again between, nice and slowly.
If you have a shotgun, grab a shotgun, baby. If you have a shotgun, use a shotgun, baby. If you have a shotgun, shoot them in the head, baby. You can survive. If you have a shotgun, baby. If you have a shotgun, shoot them in the head, baby. You can. If you have a shotgun, grab a shotgun, baby. If you have a shotgun, use a shotgun, baby. If you have a shotgun, shoot them in the head.
Quite happy with it. And it's been grinded off as well, so it's ready to fold the edges. Gonna trim the extra. All the major welding is done. Ooh, look at the one. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you got any ideas, any input, just please leave a comment below. See you next time.